Umlisi okhuluma kule video uthi abelungu bebenenkinga nabantu abamnyama kangangokuthi babona ukuthi isixazululo abangaba naso ukuthi begudluze uChris Hani. Bengicela-ke simuphe ithuba simlalele echaza kabanzi ngalo lolu daba.
Lalela mntomnyama, abelungu namabhunu had a problem and ukugudluza uChris Hani was the only solution. Ngo-1990 abelungu bese bebona ukuthi no, liyabashonela ilanga, uyaphela umbuso, i-apartheid ngathi sizophela. Sekumele bathole umuntu omnyama abazokwazi ukuthi bamcontrol, ngoba ngisho noma ngathiwa bayabanika lelizwe kodwa ngeke babanika ama-resources, and so bazama ukuthola umuntu omnyama ocontrolekayo. Manje inkinga iyodwa, kubantu abamnyama i-leader yabo ayifuni ukuzwa ngabo, i-leader yabo iyanqaba ukulalela into abayishoyo, and i-leader yabo was uChris Hani. uChris Hani was more than just i-leader ye-ANC. uChris Hani was i-leader yomkhonto wesizwe, which was like i-army for abantu abamnyama. Manje uChris Hani refused ukukhothamela isitha. Isitha sabona ukuthi no, uNelson Mandela usejele. And then umuntu oselo yi-leader uChris Hani, no, uChris Hani akafuni ukuzwa ngathi. So uChris Hani kumele simgudluze ukuze sikwazi ukubusa lelizwe leli. uChris Hani was a great leader. Wayekholelwa kumuntu omnyama and wayekholelwa ekutheni ukuthi sizophuma kwi-apartheid. Indlela yena wecabanga ngayo, indlela owehlakaniphe ngayo, wesebona beyond i-apartheid, wesebona ekutheni ukuthi kumele sithuthuke. Wayefuna abantu abamnyama ba-own amabhizinisi, isitha sisuke ezweni lethu. Wayezomnika umuntu omnyama iland yakhe. uChris Hani was a great leader and isitha knew that. That's why behind the scenes isitha sasiweka hard ekutheni ukuthi simgudluze uChris Hani, ngoba sasazi ukuthi la khona uChris Hani kuyingozi, ngoba abantu abamnyama bayaqala bayahlakanipha. One such person or example wengayifuni indaba yaChris Hani, it was uRichard Botha. And uRichard Botha at the time he was the richest person in Africa, because uRichard Botha wayene wealth engangu 1.5 billion. uRichard Botha iwealth yakhe wayakha phezu kwenyembezi zabantu abamnyama ababesebenza imayini zakhe. Already isitha sasesazi ukuthi uChris Hani will be the first black president. Already isitha sasesazi ukuthi uChris Hani akulula ukuthi bamenze puppets. And so isitha sahlala phansi saplana sathi no, asiqashe nangu uSathane. uSathane ngomhla ka-10 April 1993 wathatha imoto wahamba wehlika eBoksburg la kwakuhlala khona uChris Hani. Safika isitha sangena kumuzi waChris Hani ngomnyonyoba. That day umuzi waChris Hani wawungagadiwe, ukuthi kanjani asazi, kodwa isitha sangena. Sathi singena isitha sahlangana naye uChris Hani. Hawu, isitha sakhipha induku yaso yokuqhweba, samqhweba isitha sabaleka isitha sitshena ukuthi ngeke sisibambe. Ngebhadi uChris Hani bathi bemphuthumisa isibhedlela, kwakuvele sekulethi. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, ukhumbule ukuthi uSathane uyisicashalala. Kahle kahle lento it's deeper, ngoba sinabantu abanjengoClive Derby Lewis ekuyena yena wakhipha uconnection ukuqasha uSathane khona ezohambe yokuqhweba uChris Hani. Sinabantu abanjengoRichard Botha ekuyena owakhipha imali yokukhokhela uSathane khona ezokwazi ukuyokwenza lento angumele ayenze. uRichard Botha waphinde futhi kwawuyena okhipha imali yokuthi kuqashwe ibhanoyi khona uSathane ezokwazi ukubaleka. Baningi abantu abacorresponda ekutheni ukuthi kwenziwe lento eyenziwa kuChris Hani. So asingamblame uSathane kuphela, baningi. Whenever you're doing investigation ngomuntu, follow the money, don't follow umuntu, because umuntu can lie, kodwa imali ayiwaqamba manga. and imali ithi uRichard Botha khona abantu ayisebenzisana nabo ku-ANC. Yeah, kwi-ANC khona abantu abadayisa nge-future ye-South Africa ukuze bacebe. That means khona abantu who sold uChris Hani. Khona imali engango-30 million rands eyaphuma from i-trust ya Richard Botha yayongena kulama account abantu thizeni. And the only person who knows iqiniso, the only person enginethemba ukuthi wakwazi ukudila nabo labantu abayimpimbi, it is uMr Jacob Zuma. Because uJacob Zuma was a close friend with uChris Hani. So uJacob Zuma knows le impimpi. I just hope ukuthi uJacob Zuma wadila nabo. Khona abantu ongeke uzubazi. Abantu ongeke ufunde ngabe esikoleni ngoba izenzo zabo zimbi. Abantu abafana njengoJohannes Stein, owaye former apartheid intelligence officer. Umsebenzi waStein wawodwa ukuthola impimpi, abantu abawilling ukudayisa nge-ANC party or ukudayisa nge-IFP party. uJohannes Stein uyena izathu esikhulu esenza ukuthi kube khona impi between i-ANC ne-IFP. uJohannes Stein uyena umthelela omkhulu ekutheni ukuthi kube khona i-hit on uChris Hani baze bamqwebe. Kodwa ngeke ufunde ngoJohannes Stein esikoleni. Mase uyayibuza ukuthi why ihistory yethu ingakhulunywa iyonke, yini bamfihla. So uSathane wagcina etholiwe ngalesa sikhathi, wathathwa wayofakwa eCamp. And then eCamp wahlala for 20 years, wagcina ephumile eCamp. Usanda kuphuma nje eCamp useneminyaka ephumile. And then ukuphuma kwakhe wavele wahamba straight waphindela kwizwe lakhe iPoland. Kodwa nakho la kucaka khona. uSathane khona imali ayitholile the time esephumile ejele, and le mali ibalelwa ku-40 million rands. Singasho ukuthi le mali isincaphazelo. Singasho ukuthi le mali bayabonga for isenzo asenza ngoba iSouth Africa ilento eyiyona manje ngenxa yakhe. Useyicelebrity manje uSathane. uSathane unokwenza ama-interviews, bambuza ukuthi uyayisola yini ngalento ayenza ngoba lento ayenza yamosha ikusasa labantu abamnyama base-South Africa. Njengamanje every president esiba nayo i-puppets. The only president eseke saba nayo eyanqaba ukuba i-puppets yabelungu, eyanqaba ukuba i-puppets yama-Oppenheimer nama-Roosevelt, it was uJacob Zuma. Bonke laba abanye ama-puppets. And so mabembuza uSathane, Sathane uyayisola ngalesenzo kwasenza. Uthi uSathane cha angiyisoli, lento engayenza kwakuyiyona into right, and if mangase ngithola ithuba I would do it again. 1994 iSouth Africa yathola independence. uNelson Mandela or uGibson Makhando became the first black president. And then after that kwaba uThabo Mbeki. Umuntu omnyama basically uyasazi istory after that, kodwa kubhlungu kunakho konke is that kule story abantu abawinayo is isitha. Because as much as umuntu omnyama kwathiwa si free, kodwa ama-resources eSouth Africa aya towards isitha. Imayini a-onwa isitha. Iy'ntshalo zi-onwa isitha. Ilendi amanxiwa otatamkhulu bethu a-onwa isitha. Umuntu omnyama u-onani i-freedom.